Meaning of furphy.
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 Furphy. The word furphy is an Australian slang term that means a false rumor or piece of gossip. The term originated during World War I when soldiers would gather around water carts, known as furphies, to gossip and spread rumors. Today, the term is still used in Australia to describe untrue or exaggerated stories. It can also refer to a misleading or deceptive statement. In essence, a furphy is a piece of information that is spread without being verified, and can often lead to misunderstandings or false beliefs.